and welcome back to my channel. So we are in October, Halloween is just around the corner, and I am here to do a yearly series of Halloween tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a look that everybody is doing. Today's look is going to be inspired by one of the best movies I've seen this year, Joker. Honestly, one of the best movies I've ever seen. Completely changes my mind when it comes to villains. I haven't done Halloween tutorials since last year or anything, so... Oh, guys, and if you can hear my fan, I'm sorry, but it's hot in this room, and I'm going to be putting a bunch of stuff on my face. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you a couple things that I have. I obviously have the green hair color spray, and then I do have a couple like Halloween makeup here, like cream-based makeup. That's usually what they sell out there. I can't find anything else. So let me just go ahead and open these real quick. I mean, look at the amount of paint that is in here. It's so thin. I mean, James Charles mini size palette here. It's not a lot. It's a little bit. Well, I'm wearing this red dress shirt, which I feel like it's something that Joker would wear. I don't know. Joaquin Phoenix, tell me if you would wear this. I just put on this shirt. It's old. I don't give a damn about it, so whatever. We're going to go ahead and dye our hair green. It's not going to be good for this hair since I'm already losing hair, so here we go. I don't see no action. What if it's dyeing the back of my wall? Okay, here we go. I think I need to use like 2 bottles of these. I don't want to... Ooh, ooh, ooh. Is this giving us a Beetlejuice moment from last year or 2 years ago? Be able to get it to the green that I wanted. I don't even know how you could tell on camera. Oh, I don't think that belongs there. I think this is good enough. No? Is it green enough? So this is how green I got it. It doesn't look as green as I wanted, so whatever. I did get these like brushes from this little cheap store, so hopefully these end up working for me. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and start the white painting on our face. And here we go. I'm gonna do a time lapse since it's gonna take a long time to get to that perfect shade of white, I guess. I don't know how you say that. But I'm gonna be using this brush. Ooh, Beauty Guru status. I'm going to be using this brush right here. Got it somewhere really cheap, so here we go. Let's try and get it to an okay version, but before we get to that, I'm going to take some of it off with this here, wherever I'm going to be doing the red eyebrows. Now that we have the outlines on here of where the other colors are going to go, hopefully it works. I'm going to start doing the white more perfectly. Now we're adding the blue that we have right here. It took me a long time to actually activate it, but you have to kind of like stir it in there, mix it in there, and then the oil starts coming out like that. Here we go. We're getting somewhere, I think. We're gonna do down here. These are like oily, these colors right here in this thing. A reminder once again, does not have to be perfect. Why does this one always, every time I do something on this side of the face, it just looks horrible. It looks a lot more blue on this side now. Okay, so I got that done. Now we're gonna go off with the red on the eyes. The red of this whole cream based makeup, it's probably the best one, since it just attaches so well to whatever color you put it on top of, and it leaves like a very bright color, bright red color. Here I'm going to put a little bit more of that white. Now we're going to add the red on the nose. I'm going to add a little bit of black on that part of the nose and the mouth because it looks a little darker. I want it to look a little bloody. So we're gonna add just a little bit of black here. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. So let's start with the lips and be all cute and shit. Guys, we're almost there. Look at this. Do I look creepy? Oh my god, am I done here? Should we spray a little bit more in the hair? Maybe we can get a little bit more green volume here. Kinda wanna do like... Alright everyone, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It actually took a long time to get to the white that I wanted. Hold on, still not there. I hope you guys enjoyed this Halloween tutorial of the Joker. Am I smiling like him? Should I go? This is kind of scary. Once again, if you haven't seen the movie, I really recommend you guys to check it out. It's so different. It's so amazing. I was never into movies like that until I saw this movie. The villain, you have so much more respect for the villain than the hero. This was actually a pretty easy, simple way to do it. At the beginning, I kind of wanted to look perfect, but as I kept going, it just wasn't working for me. And I mean, it doesn't really have to be perfect. The messier, the better. I've said that before in so many videos, but the messier, the better. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Halloween tutorial. I will be making a couple more Halloween tutorials in the next 2 weeks, because pretty much in 2 weeks it's Halloween. So don't forget to give me a thumbs up and comment down below what look you want me to do next. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel. Thank you so much for all of you who have been subscribing lately. But if you're new, subscribe down there, become part of this family. And with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next Halloween tutorial. Bye. I'm freaking myself out. I really am freaking myself out.